Here is the Network Analytics dashboard focused on market trends. This will allow you to look at sales transactions in aggregate, as well as trends in price per square foot and cap rates. Before we dive into the stats, let's do a quick orientation of where things are so we know what we're looking at. Along the top and the right, you'll see summary stat boxes. These will automatically update when you select the data you want to analyze. To select data, use the left column to refine what you're looking at. You'll see that there's a lot of information in the dashboard when it's in its default view. So in order to make this more digestible, let's use our selection panel on the left to begin digging into the information. At the top, you'll see Quick Refine. This will allow you to look at each asset class with one click. For instance, if I want to look at retail sales, I'll click Retail. Here we have the graph and the stat boxes update, and it's defaulted to begin on the 1st of January 2017. We have a quarter by quarter overview of the sales transactions. You can see this by hovering over each, and you can get additional data by clicking on one. For example, in quarter 4 of 2017, 33 sales occurred totaling nearly $83 million. The median unit price is about $258 per square foot, and the minimum cap rate was 2.71%. These boxes help point out outliers. You can further investigate this by going to thegettlnetwork.com and pulling an individual highlight sheet. You can also scroll down and see the breakdown of the different product types that make up the retail asset class. So again, in 2017, quarter 4, there are 33 sales made up of each of these product types. You can scroll left and right to see the totals and additional details. If you'd like to get out of a select quarter that you've selected, simply click it again and you'll return to the default view starting from 2017. If you want to increase the parameter for the starting sales date and the ending sales date to segment a specific point in time, you can do so by clicking the sale date boxes on the left. You can use a calendar to click a date and select, or you can also type in a hard date. If you're looking for dates further back, it's sometimes easier to type it in. For instance, I could begin on January 1st, year 2000, and click Enter. Here you'll see all the stats update accordingly. If you'd like to look at a specific description, this is essentially your sub-asset class, then you can click this description drop-down and select or deselect the ones you're interested in. For example, if you want to look at retail condos specifically, deselect all the other property descriptions. Now we're looking at just retail condo sales since January 1st, 2000. Whenever you're done, or if you want to reset, simply click Reset Fields and you can begin a new search yourself.